Introducing the MX Plateau Power Manager, engineered for seamless power in modern living and professional spaces. To install, create a cutout opening on the desired surface and connect the wires to the socket. Secure the Power Manager into the cutout using the 2 side screws. Then attach the flap securely. Connect the wire with the screwless connector. The unit can also be installed directly into a wall for a clean and professional setup. Make a hole both sides. Then fix the screws. Available in multiple colors to seamlessly blend with any aesthetic and complement every space. Designed for a clean, integrated finish, it blends effortlessly into your workspace without compromising on style or functionality. Equally suited for wall recess mounting, offering a flush, professional finish on vertical surfaces ideal for kitchen, conference rooms, reception areas, and commercial interiors. You can fast charge your laptop with our 65-watt USB-C plus USB-C charger. For HDMI installation, remove the temporary back cover of the Power Manager and fit the HDMI port with the flush mount switch mechanism. Available in various modules based on your requirements. Customized sockets and ports available as request. Made from flame-retardant polycarbonate material for fire resistance.